Today, I'll show you the easiest method to swap your face and voice with any celebrity, which looks like this. And today, I'll help you fix this using a free SMTP plugin.
Also, don't miss the end of the video because we have a bonus giveaway for you.
Now, we'll be using only free tools and zero coding. You will get thousands of celebrity voices and faces to choose from. You can then use these videos for some fun on social media or send it in an email to creatively catch attention, or add it to your website to convert something boring into something fun. But as Uncle Ben rightly said,
with great power comes great responsibility.
So please don't misuse these videos or you might get into trouble. My name is Rohan Julian Francis and this video is brought to you by Airlift, which is our product. It's a free speed plugin that triples your site speed. So if you or your friend has a website, do check out airlift.net. You can go to the link in the description or you can just type airlift.net. Now to swap your face with a celebrity, first go to the link in the description and click on it, which will open this page. So this is our Google Collab interface and our entire process will be done here. So this might look a bit techy, but don't worry, we will just be using copy paste here and there's no coding involved. Also, all these steps are perfectly safe. There's no danger of malware or anything else. So let's first copy this code script to your drive by clicking here. Now we need to connect this to your computer's GPU so that it can power the processes that you want to run. So just go and click here. Now this connection may take a few seconds, but once it's done, it should look like this. Now these code lines here are scripts which we will install one by one, and by the end we'll get a deepfake video. So just click on the play icon like this and then wait for a few minutes. Okay, now you'll have your first script installed, and let's do the same thing for the download model. Then wait a bit, and after that for the GPU support. Now sometimes you might come across an error like this because the resources have run out, but don't worry, you can just go here and select disconnect delete and then follow the same steps again. Now we won't click the play button on the fourth script because we need to replace these two links here first. So here we will add the link to a video in which you want to replace the face, and here we will add the link of an image which has the celebrity face that we want to use. Please remember, use an image which is a close-up shot of the celebrity and has no expression. So let's add both the files here one by one. First we'll go here and click on this upload icon. Now this is the video file I want to add, but its name has this number and special character. So first I'll right click and change its name to a simple one like this. Otherwise we'll face an issue later. Then I'll select it and hit enter. Then I'll click upload again and find a celebrity image file. Now make sure it's a simple name, select it and hit enter. Now both files are uploading, so let's wait a few minutes. It can take a bit longer if the video is much larger, but it definitely happens in a few minutes. Also please note that sometimes files may appear here quickly, but they might still be uploading in the background, as you can see here in this progress bar. So just wait for this progress bar to finish. Alright, now both files are uploaded. The final step is to copy paste these file locations here in this line. So let's first go to the video, click on the three dots and select copy path. Then come here and paste it. Then go to the image, click on copy, then come and paste it here. Then click on this play icon. Now it should start processing your video, but in case you face an error like this, simply go here and click run all. Now let's check if the processing is done correctly. And yeah, I can see the swapped.mp4 file here, and that's how you know that the deepfake is successfully done. Now let's download the file by clicking here and selecting download. Now if I go to the downloads and open this file, and today I'll help you. You can see that the deepfake has actually happened, and it looks freakishly accurate. But to take this video to the next level, we can deepfake the voice as well, which would look like this.
And today I'll help you fix this using a free
Pretty cool, right? And here's how you can do it. Just click on the link in description, which is going to take you to a page like this. Now it might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it just takes a little copy paste and I'll show you how to do it. Also, if you're liking this video or want something more, please comment below because we make 4-5 videos each week and your comments help us make better videos for you. So let's go to running Google Colab and click on the Google Colab link. Now, just like we did before, we'll create a copy of this on our own drive by clicking here. And then we have to connect this to the GPU by clicking here. And then click here to install the first script. And that's done. Now you may get a warning like this, but simply click continue anyway or run anyway, and it will take a few minutes to install. Now for the second script to run, we need to provide a link to the voice data of your desired personality. So you can go to the video's description and click on this link, and then you see this Google Sheet which has thousands of voice links of all the popular people. So you can just click Command plus F and then type in the voice that you want. Let's select a voice, right click and select copy. Then come back, right click and paste it here. Then hit the play icon. Alright, looks like the script is installed now. Awesome. Now for the final step. Click on the play button here and you'll get a link. Now if you click on it, cue drum roll and voila! You have a user-friendly dashboard like this that you can easily use. All the voice data you've uploaded will be visible here like this. So before we move on to the next step, let me show you how to add another voice here, just in case you want a different voice later. So let's go back to our sheet, find a new voice, copy the link, come back and paste it here. Then click download, which will take just a few seconds. And if you see an error like this, you just have to do the whole process again. So try to paste the voice a bit quicker. Alright, now come back to our interface and in section 1, choose the voice you want to use. In section 2, we will upload the audio file that we want to change into a celebrity voice. So remember that video where we added the celebrity face? I'm going to extract the audio from it and then add it here so that the audio changes to the celebrity's voiceover. And later on, I'll add this new audio back to that video so that everything syncs up perfectly. Alright, to do this, let's go to the video description and then click on this link, which should open up this page for you. So first we need to upload the video by clicking here. And when done, we need to select the audio format that we want. So I would suggest to go with MP3 or WAV because these formats are compatible with all softwares. Alright, now I'll come back, click here and upload the extracted audio file. After that, click convert. Okay, now this is the moment of truth. I'm going to click here and let's listen to it.
And today, I'll help you fix this using a free SMTP plugin.
Yeah, I think that works. But to confirm it, we'll just add it to the video and see it in action. Alright, so click here to download the file. Now we need to add this audio file to our video. So just go to the description again and click on this link, which will take you to an online video editor. Now to start working, we need to first create a project. So let's do that by clicking here and you will see this interface. Alright, this is a standard video editing interface which is quite easy to use. So let's add a video by clicking here, locate our file, click open. Awesome. Now we can see that our video is visible in the timeline. Now I will quickly show you basic video editing here that you can do on this video. So if you want to trim your clip, you can go here, drag this thing to the left or right according to your need. If you want to split your clip, make sure your video is selected and then you can drag this red playhead and take it where you want to make a split like this. When you're there, you just have to click the split button. It's that simple. Now let's mute the audio on our video first because we don't need that, right? So click on the video and you will see this panel. Now go to the audio and you will see this volume bar, or you can drag this slider to 0 as well. Alright, now let's play this to see if the audio is gone. It's muted. Now let's add an AI voice in this timeline. So go to files right here, click on add files, then locate your audio file like this. Awesome. Now let's add it and it's automatically imported in our timeline. Alright, now let's export the project by going here and clicking on save. Let's select the highest quality in the free version, which is 720p. And don't worry, this won't have any watermark on it like other online video editors add. If you want a 180p version, you can just email the celebrity audio clip and video to yourself and then put it together in InShot, which is a free app. But for most people, I think a 720p video without a watermark is good enough. Alright, now after a few minutes of processing, it will give us the option to download the file. So let's click save and our video will be downloaded. Alright, now let's see how the final result has come out.
And today, I'll help you fix this using a free SMTP plugin. Also, don't miss the end of the video because we have a bonus giveaway for you.
Pretty good.